Welcome to the Wolver channel, where crypto dreams ignite. This isn't just another tutorial, this is your moment. Right here, right now, you will create your own token on any blockchain, no experience, no excuses. Follow these steps, and let's make you a crypto creator today. Step 1. Remix.eth, your launchpad. Open your browser, go to remix.eth. This is where your journey begins. Step 2. Create your token file, the foundation. Click New File. Name it mytoken.sol. The .sol extension is crucial. This file will define your token's future. Step 3. Paste your contract code. The blueprint, insert your smart contract code. Don't have one? No problem. Message me, token code, on Telegram, link below, and I'll send you battle-tested code instantly. Step 4. Compile it. Turn code into power. Go to the Solidity Compiler tab, select the correct version, hit Compile. If you see green, you're on the right track. Step 5. Deploy. Your token goes live. Connect your wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. Choose your network, Ethereum, BSC, Polygon, your choice. Set gas fee, convert to Wave value, enter token details, name, make it memorable. Total supply, how many tokens will exist. Symbol, your token's ticker, short and strong. Hit deploy. Final step, own your creation. Copy the contract address, go to your wallet, import token, paste. Done. You are now a crypto creator. If this helped you, like this video, subscribe, turn on notifications. Need the code? Message me, token code, on Telegram now. The future belongs to those who build. Start building.